Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make porridge yam, easy method. Peel and chop yam into even cubes, then rinse. Boil yam in water until very tender, about 15 to 25 minutes depending on cube size. Mash or blend to desired smoothness, then return to low heat. Stir in milk, salt, and optional spices to taste. Serve warm with a drizzle of oil or a pat of butter for extra richness. Start by covering yam cubes with water and bringing them to a rolling boil, then lower to a simmer. Cook until the yam breaks apart easily with a fork, then drain most of the water but reserve a little for thinning. Mash with a potato masher or blend for a silky texture, adding milk a little at a time. Taste and adjust seasoning, then heat gently until steaming and well combined. Serve porridge yam hot and adjust the final texture with a splash of reserved cooking water or milk. Sweet versions work well with honey, fruit, and nuts for crunch, while savory bowls benefit from herbs, protein, and a drizzle of oil. Portion into bowls and garnish just before serving to keep textures fresh. Refrigerate leftovers in an airtight container and reheat slowly, stirring to restore.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.